Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the READP Opcode in IBM IRPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using READP moves the pointer to the previous record and reads the record, and again moves the pointer to next previous position. If there are no more records, it sets end of file to on. Before we dive into the example, let's understand structure of EMPHDR file. Record format EMPHDR, EMPID, employee ID 7 digits, ENAME, employee name, 50 characters, EDOB, employee date of birth, date type, EDOJ, employee date of joining, date type, key field is EMPID, so EMPHDR file has been declared as keyed file. And here's the data available in EMPHDR file. Now let's explore how to use the READP opcode. Firstly, we will do SETLL operation on the EMPHDR file with HIVAL, which means program will start reading the file from highest value of EMPID, as this field is acting as the key field of EMPHDR file. Then we'll start reading the file from the last record towards the first record, meaning the program will read the file backwards with READP. Let's see the result. In conclusion, the READP opcode in IBM IRPGLE is essential for accessing the records of the file backwards. It simplifies data retrieval and allows for efficient processing of different business logic. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the READP opcode in IBM IRPGLE. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insight. Happy coding!